In this video, we'll discuss the Jet Lag Advisor on your compatible Garmin smartwatch. The Jet Lag Advisor is a feature supported by select Garmin watches to provide guidance for reducing jet lag. Note: this feature requires a minimum of 3 time zones crossed during travel. Trips involving fewer than 3 time zones will be supported but won't include pre-trip guidance. To use the Jet Lag Advisor, you will need to add destination details for your trip in the Garmin Connect app. On your Garmin Connect app, access the menu by pressing More. Select Training Planning. Select Jet Lag Advisor. Select Add a Trip. Add destination details. Add either return details or select this is a one-way trip. Select Finish. After adding your upcoming trip, the Jet Lag Advisor glance will appear. It will display helpful recommendations for optimizing your light exposure, sleep schedule, nutrition, and activity levels to aid your trip recovery. To edit Jet Lag Advisor notifications on your device, open the Jet Lag Advisor widget. Scroll to the second screen. Select Settings. In Jet Lag Advisor notifications, scroll down to enable or disable suggested guidance prompts. That's it. You now have guidance on how to acclimate to your destination's time zone and mitigate jet lag symptoms. Thank you for watching.